thought I could keep pushing this build forward, but I've hit a wall. I'm basically stuck until these parts arrive. And what I'm waiting on is some electrical components to be able to run the motor, but I also need thermostat housing, engine mount brackets, exhaust. So yeah, still a few key components. So this is your flywheel, and that spins around, and this is called your stator, and it generates the electricity that charges your battery, and then all of the electrics of the motorcycle run off your battery. So these tend to burn out and fail. This is one of the first things that you'll notice. If your battery's good but your bike's not starting and feels like the battery's dead, is typically the stator. And you can actually see on this one, around here, it's got this blackened area, and that is a clear sign that it's either failed or it's starting to fail. One thing we can start thinking about is how we're going to cover the seat. So I've picked up some marine grade vinyl. That was $30, and that's going to give me enough vinyl to cover the seat. Plus, I have another idea for the rest of the vinyl, so more on that later. And what we'll need for that job is a pneumatic staple gun. So what you need is an air compressor and this little guy. So I picked that up on Marketplace. So fingers crossed that actually works properly. And also I'm going to need to get some staples. Those look like pretty long ones. I might need to get some shorter staples. But yeah, it looks alright. We'll see if that actually even works. Yeah, this seat is a little bit of an unknown. I've ordered a piece of gel which I'm going to put into the seat under here. The foam underneath it feels pretty good, but I got a gel pad just to make it a little bit more comfy, and just to it's a cooling gel pad, so I don't know how much of an impact that will have. Yeah, there's no way I can leave the seat like this. It's pretty bad. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can follow along with the journey. We're going to start working on a few things. My main priority really is to get this motor running. It's still a massive unknown. So at the moment I've spent about $1,000, so I'm halfway through my budget, and I've pretty much got everything on the way to be able to start the motor. So wait for the next few videos. I'll be breaking down all the different aspects of installing wiring harnesses and checking electrical components, a few little fiddly things and unknowns along the way. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.